Trusted technologies for safer skies mean addressing space congestions and debris, and for Thales Alenia Space, develop in-space sustainability. Space debris are defunct human-made objects that pose today a real threat to space activities. According to the European Space Agency, there are over 130 million species of debris in orbit. Those debris pose a real threat to satellites as they can totally destroy them. At Thales Alenia Space, we are offering solutions to avoid the generation of new debris and protect the environment in space. On-orbit servicing can play a significant role in in-space sustainability. But what is in fact in-orbit servicing? This is the way, the capability to intervene on satellites while they are operating in space. When we launch a satellite, this is a one-shot mission. Whether we are talking about geostationary satellites that can live up to 15 years or satellites destined for low Earth orbit that have a shorter lifespan. If anything happens to a satellite during its lifetime, we cannot send an astronaut to repair it. It would be too costly and too dangerous for them. In-orbit servicing uses space vehicles that we call servicers that have the following robotic capabilities: an arm, a gripper, and many different tools. Those vehicles will inspect the environment of the satellite. They will make what we call a rendezvous with that satellite to capture the spacecraft. They will render the service that was supposed to be done on the satellite. We can talk about refueling the satellite, repairing it, upgrading its capabilities. In-orbit servicing can also be used at the end of life of satellites. Satellites must be sent to either graveyard orbits or sent back to Earth to be disintegrated on the atmosphere. Satellites from now on will be designed to accommodate those interfaces and grapple fixtures to facilitate in-orbit servicing. On-orbit servicing vehicles represent a real paradigm shift for space because satellites will not anymore be abandoned once they are not operational, and they will even be able to evolve during their lifetime. Thales Alenia Space is a leading pioneer in that area. We are contributing to the positive impact on on-orbit servicing for the satellites that are close to Earth, and those robotic technologies will also be used in the near future to build infrastructure required to conduct missions on the Moon.